Imagine this. You're out in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by nature's beauty, capturing every moment with your smartphone. But then it happens, the dreaded low battery warning. Before you know it, your phone is dead, and you're completely disconnected from the world. No GPS, no emergency contacts, nothing. It's a nightmare scenario that could happen to any of us. But what if I told you there's a solution that keeps you connected anywhere, anytime, no matter where you are? Introducing the SOS Solar Phone Charger, a device that could be your lifeline when you need it the most. This portable powerhouse isn't just any charger. It's a 20,000 mAh solar-powered marvel that can keep your devices running for days. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors, preparing for an emergency, or just dealing with a power outage, this charger has got your back. Section 1. No more dead batteries. Stay connected anywhere. Have you ever been in the middle of a hike, far away from civilization when your phone dies? Or maybe you're camping deep in the forest and you realize there's no way to charge your devices. It's a terrible feeling, being cut off from the world when you need to be connected the most. That's where the SOS Solar Phone Charger comes in. With its high-capacity 20,000 mAh battery, you can charge your phone, tablet, or even a small electronic device multiple times over. This isn't just a convenience, it's a game changer. The charger is designed with two USB ports, meaning you can charge two devices simultaneously. Whether it's your smartphone and tablet or your GPS and camera, the SOS Solar Phone Charger ensures you're never left powerless, no matter what devices you rely on. But it's not just for the great outdoors. Think about those times when a power outage strikes. You're suddenly plunged into darkness, unable to reach out to family or friends. In situations like these, having the SOS Solar Phone Charger could be a real lifesaver. Section 2. Superior compatibility for all your devices. One of the standout features of the SOS Solar Phone Charger is its super compatibility. This device works with more than 99% of mobile phones and tablets on the market. Whether you're an Android user or an Apple aficionado, this charger has you covered. Forget the days of worrying about whether your charger will work with your device. The SOS Solar Phone Charger is universally compatible, making it the perfect addition to your tech gear, no matter what devices you own. And it doesn't stop at phones and tablets. Got a Bluetooth speaker, a portable fan, or a headlamp that needs charging? No problem. The SOS Solar Phone Charger can handle it all, giving you the flexibility to power up any small electronic device when you need it most. Section 3. Light up the dark with LED functionality. Sometimes it's not just about keeping your devices charged, it's about staying safe and visible when the lights go out. That's why the SOS Solar Phone Charger comes equipped with a built-in LED light. With a simple double press of the power button, you've got a reliable light source that's perfect for emergencies, camping, or anytime you find yourself in the dark. Whether you're navigating through a dark trail or just trying to find your way around a tent at night, this LED light is powerful enough to guide you through. It's a small feature that adds a huge layer of convenience and security. And because it's built into the charger itself, you don't have to worry about carrying extra flashlights or batteries. The SOS Solar Phone Charger is an all-in-one tool that ensures you're never left in the dark. Section 4. Reliable power anytime, anywhere. So how does it work? The SOS Solar Phone Charger harnesses energy from the sun through its built-in solar panels. Just place it in a sunny spot and it will start recharging itself. Whether you're out on a sunny hike or setting it up on your deck during a power outage, this charger is designed to keep you powered up without needing an electrical outlet. It's an eco-friendly way to keep your devices charged, and because it uses solar power, you're not just saving money, you're also reducing your carbon footprint. It's reliable, sustainable, and ready to go whenever you are. Whether you're in the city or out in the wilderness, the SOS Solar Phone Charger adapts to your environment. You're no longer tied to power outlets or constrained by the limits of your device's battery life. You're free to explore, free to connect, and free to stay in touch with the world around you. Section 5. Real-life stories. Why you need an SOS Solar Phone Charger. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from people who've experienced the benefits of the SOS Solar Phone Charger firsthand. As a hiker, I've been on countless journeys exploring the untouched beauty of Mother Earth. My smartphone is my lifeline, capturing breathtaking landscapes and helping me navigate through uncharted territories. But finding a power source in the wilderness? that's where it gets tricky. That's why I never leave home without my SOS solar phone charger. It's an essential part of my gear. No matter how deep into the wild I go, I know I can keep my phone charged, which means I can always find my way back, capture those special moments, and stay safe. But it's not just adventurers who benefit from this device. Imagine you're at home when disaster strikes. A powerful storm hits, and suddenly you're left without power for days. What do? That's exactly what happened to me. A storm knocked out our power lines and we were left in the dark. But thanks to the SOS solar phone charger, I was able to keep my phone charged and stay in touch with my family and emergency services. It was a relief to know that even in the worst of times, I wasn't completely cut off. Section 6. Why you need an SOS solar phone charger today. The SOS solar phone charger isn't just a gadget. It's a must-have tool for anyone who values connectivity and security. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors, preparing for emergencies, or just making sure your devices are always ready when you need them, this charger delivers. With its high-capacity battery, universal compatibility, dual USB ports, and built-in LED light, the SOS solar phone charger is designed to meet your needs no matter where life takes you. And because it's powered by the sun, you can rely on it to keep you connected without needing a single outlet. Say goodbye to the anxiety of dead batteries and hello to a world where you're always connected, always ready, and always in control. The SOS solar phone charger is more than just a power bank. It's your lifeline in a world that runs on energy. Don't wait until it's too late. Get yours today and experience the freedom of never worrying about battery life again. Ready to take control of your power needs? Click the link below to order your SOS solar phone charger today. Whether you're preparing for your next adventure or just want peace of mind at home, this charger is the solution you've been waiting for. Stay connected, stay safe, and never let a dead battery hold you back again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying powered up and connected. We'll see you in the next video.